Packing an order for Miss Jana. Studio vlog. Jiuv Myers. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Jiuv Myers Studio. For today's video I'm going to pack an order for Miss Jana. She ordered 6 pieces of resin stud earrings. She will give this earrings to somebody who's celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday to you. I hope you like it. So let's start. First we need a small box. Add a little bit of shredded paper. I need to make sure that the product is well packed and secure. Spread out all shredded paper to cover up all space. Place the resin earring on top of that shredded paper. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe and click the bell button to get notified with my upcoming videos. Hit thumbs up, leave comment and share it with your friends. Thank you to all my subscribers who continue watching and supporting my channel. Shout out to you, Miss Jana. Thank you for your purchase. After placing all the earring stud, close the box carefully so it won't damage the product. Stick the sticker label. Next, stick the logo sticker. Now we're done. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next video. Goodbye. For more video just click this. Thank you for watching.